Hello, wizards. I'm Anastasia, your guide for day 33 of the Daily AI Wizard Python for AI series. After setting up Python in day 32, today we're diving into variables and data types, the building blocks of AI coding. Get ready for a magical journey that'll make your code come alive. Code the future, wizards!
Hey, wizards. I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled you're here. Variables are like spell jars, storing data for your AI projects. By the end, you'll create and run scripts that make Python dance. Stick with us. It's going to be fun and super rewarding.
Ethan here. I'll break down the code so you understand every detail. Today's demos will show you how variables power AI. Let's make some coding magic happen, wizards.
Sophia here. I'm pumped to lead the demos and show you variables in action. Let's get started.
Olivia here. I'll help with explanations and tips to keep your coding journey smooth. Demos will be awesome. Ready to code, wizards.
Wizards, variables, and data types are the foundation of every Python program. Variables store data, like numbers or text, that your AI models use. Data types, like integers or strings, tell Python how to handle that data. Today, you'll learn how these power AI projects like neural networks.
Exactly. Whether it's setting a learning rate for a machine learning model or naming your AI, variables make it happen. This lesson sets you up for day 34, lists and tuples. Stick around to master the basics and code like a wizard.
Today, wizards will explore how to create variables, understand data types like integers, floats, strings, and booleans, and run 2 awesome demos. You'll see how these concepts drive AI.
Sophia will lead the demos with Ethan explaining the code and Olivia adding tips. By the end, you'll be ready to store and manipulate data like a pro. Let's dive into this magical coding adventure.
Wizards, meet your coding crew. Anastasia and I are your guides, keeping things clear and exciting. Ethan's our code expert, breaking down every line.
Sophia's leading the demos with energy. Olivia's helping with tips and questions, and I'll answer your queries to keep you on track. We're all here to make you a Python wizard. Let's code together.
Wizards, variables are like magical jars that store data in Python. You give them a name like score and assign a value like 100. They hold numbers, text, or other data for your AI programs.
Anastasia, how do we make a variable? Is it hard?
Great question, Olivia. It's super easy. Just use a name and an equals sign, like score Jockshire 100. We'll show you how in the demos. Variables are your data jars, so easy to start. Data types tell Python what kind of data you're storing, wizards. Today, we'll cover integers for whole numbers, floats for decimals, strings for text, and booleans for true-false values. These are the spells that make AI work.
Think of data types as labels for your variable jars. For example, age, Charles25 is an integer, while height, frontage 5.9, is a float. Knowing data types helps Python process your AI data correctly. Data types power AI. Label your data, wizards.
In AI, data types are critical, wizards. Integers might count training iterations, floats set learning rates, strings name models, and booleans track if a model's trained. Choosing the right data type ensures your AI runs smoothly.
Exactly. Using the wrong type, like a string instead of a float for a learning rate, can break your AI model. Today's demos will show how to use these types correctly for AI coding. Data types make AI work. Get them right, wizards.
Wizards, creating a variable is simple. Use a name like name and assign a value with numbers like name. A wizard. Save it in a .py file, or try it in the Python shell.
Olivia's right. Variable names should be clear, like age or score, and avoid spaces or starting with numbers. This is your first step to storing data for AI projects. Variables are so easy. Start coding, wizards.
Integers are whole numbers, wizards, like 5, 100, or 42. In AI, they're used for counts, like the number of training epochs. You can assign them to variables, like epochs of 100.
Integers are super versatile. You can do math with them, like epochs equals 100 plus 50, and Python handles it perfectly. We'll see this in our demo. Integers count your AI steps. Math made easy, wizards.
Floats are numbers with decimals like 3.14 or 0.01, perfect for AI parameters like learning rates. Assign them like rate mon 0.01 for precise calculations.
Anastasia, why are floats so important for AI?
Great question. Floats allow fine-tuned values like adjusting how fast an AI learns. You'll see this in our demo, wizards.
Strings are text, wizards, like wizard or AI model, use single or double quotes like name tassa. Wizard. In AI, strings name models or datasets.
You can combine strings, like name equals wizard plus AI, to get wizard AI. Strings are super flexible for labeling your AI projects. Strings label your AI. Text magic, wizards.
Booleans are simple, wizards. They're either true or false. In AI, they track states like is trained, count true. They're like on-off switches for your code.
Anastasia, how do Booleans help AI?
They control logic, Olivia, like checking if a model's ready. You'll see this in our demo. Simple but powerful. Booleans switch AI logic. So simple, wizards.
Wizards. Variable names must follow rules. Use letters, numbers, or underscores. But don't start with a number. So, score.1 is fine, but one Tiela score isn't. Keep names clear, like age.
Also, avoid Python keywords like print or if as names. Clear names make your AI code easy to read, especially in big projects. Let's name like wizards. Name variables wisely. Clear names, wizards.
Wizards. You can check a variable's data type with the type function. For example, type 5 returns less than class int greater than. This helps you debug AI code by ensuring the right type.
It's like casting a spell to reveal your data's true form. Try Type Wizard to see class Esther. We'll use this in our demos to explore data types.
Wizards, it's demo time. We'll run 2 scripts, one with basic variables and another with AI-focused data types using NumPy. I'll lead you through, and it's going to be so exciting.
Make sure you have Python, VS Code, and NumPy installed from day 32. Ethan will explain the code and Olivia will add tips. Let's cast some variable spells.
Wizards, let's prep for the demos. Open VS Code, create variables.py and data_types.py, and save them in a folder like Python demo. Ensure NumPy is installed with pip install numpy. We'll run these soon.
Sophia, what if wizards forgot how to install NumPy?
Great question. Open a terminal and run pip install numpy. If you're in a virtual environment, activate it first. Let's get ready to code. Prep your demo, wizards. NumPy's easy to install. Wizards, here's our first demo in variables.py. We'll create variables for a wizard's profile, name, age, height, and coding status. This shows how to store different data types. Watch closely as we run it.
The code is name equals wizard, age equals 25, height equals 5.9, is underscore coding equals true. Then we print them with print, name, name. Each variable holds a different type, string, integer, float, boolean. See how data types work. In name equals wizard, the equals sign assigns the string wizard to the variable name. It's like putting a label on a jar and filling it with data. Each line in our demo creates a new variable with a specific type.
So cool, Ethan. So, age equals 25 puts the integer 25 in the age jar? And we can print it to see the value, right? Wizards, this is how you store data for AI. Assign data like a pro.
The print, name. Name line combines a string, name, with the variable name. It outputs name, wizard. The comma in print adds a space for clean output, perfect for debugging AI code.
I love how it shows our data, Ethan. Wizards, printing variables lets you check what's stored, like opening your spell jars. Try changing name to your name and see it print. Print reveals your data. Wizards, let's run variables.py. In VS Code, open the terminal with Ctrl+ or CMD+, type Python3 variables.py, and hit enter. You'll see the wizard's profile.
The output will be name, wizard, age, 25, and so on. It's like casting a spell to reveal your data, wizards. Run your script, wizards.
Wizards, our second demo in data_types.py uses variables for an AI model. We'll set a learning rate, epochs, model name, and more, plus a number py array. This shows how data types work in AI.
Here's the code. We assign a float, integer, string, boolean, and a numpy array, then print them. It's like setting up a real AI model's parameters. AI coding in action. In learning_rate equals 0.01, we store a float for an AI model's learning speed. Epochs equals 100 is an integer for training cycles. Model_name equals AIWizard model is a string to label the model.
So, Ethan, these variables are like settings for an AI spell? Wizards, this is how you control AI models. Each variable holds a key piece of data. Variables control AI. Set up your model, wizards.
The line features equals NP. Array 0.5, 1.2, 2.8 creates a numpy array for AI data, like input features. Arrays are faster than lists for math, critical for neural networks.
That's awesome, Ethan. Wizards, arrays are like supercharged lists for AI. When we print features, we see 0.51.22.8 ready for AI calculations. Arrays speed up AI. Supercharge your data.
We use print, model, model_name, to show model, AIWizard model. Each print combines a label with a variable, making it clear what data we're showing, perfect for AI debugging.
I love seeing the output, Ethan. Wizards, this shows how your AI model settings look in action. Try changing model_name to your own AI idea and print it. Print your AI settings. See your model, wizards. Wizards, let's run data_types.py. In VS Code's terminal, type Python3 data_types.py and hit enter. You'll see your AI model's data in action.
The output shows model, AIWizard model, learning rate, 0.01, and more. It's like revealing your AI spellbook. Wizards, run your AI script.
Wizards, you can convert data types. Use int 5.9 to turn a float into 5, or str 100 to make 100. This is key for AI when data needs to match.
For example, if an AI function needs an integer but you have a float, conversion saves the day. Try float 3.14s to get 3.14. It's magical flexibility. Convert types like a pro. Wizards. No output from variables.py. Check if Python's in path. type Python 3, version to confirm. Ensure variables.py is saved in your current folder. Use pwd to check your directory. If you're lost, try cd python demo to navigate. These steps will get your wizard profile shining in no time.
For data_types.py, if you see module not found error, no module named numpy, run pip install numpy again. Check your Python version, it should be 3.11 or later. If variables don't print, ensure your code matches ours. Drop errors in the comments, wizards, we'll help.
Wizards. Virtual environments are like magical bubbles for your projects. Type Python 3, m-venv-mynv to create one. Activate it with source mynv bin. Activate on Mac, Linux, or mynv-ju scripts. Activate on Windows. This keeps NumPy and other libraries separate for DailyAIWizard Py.
Olivia, why use virtual environments for AI?
They prevent library conflicts. Anastasia? Your AI projects stay clean, and you can experiment without breaking other code. It's like having a dedicated spellbook for each project. Wizards.
Thank you, Olivia. So virtual NVs keep things tidy, perfect for AI coding. Wizards. Open the Python shell by typing Python 3 in a terminal. Try print hi wizards for instant results. No file needed. Experiment with age, Shocker 25, print age to C25. The shell's a playground for testing variables and data types.
It's perfect for quick experiments, wizards. Try print type 314 to see class float, or is cool class true, print is cool. The shell lets you test ideas instantly, helping you master variables before day 34.
Wizards' data types are key in AI libraries. NumPy uses floats for arrays, like in our demo. Pandas uses strings for data labels, and TensorFlow uses booleans for training flags. These libraries rely on the data types we learned today.
Exactly. In day 34, you'll see how lists and tuples work with these libraries. For now, your NumPy array skills are a big step toward AI mastery. Keep practicing, wizards. You're ready for more.
Wizards. Save variables.p and datatypes.py in VS Code with Ctrl+S or CMD+S. It's like locking your spells in a spellbook. Store them in a folder like Python demo and back them up on cloud storage or GitHub.
Share your scripts on GitHub or with friends, wizards. Your code is a badge of honor. Post it in our Discord or X to inspire other wizards. Saving ensures you can build on this for day 34. Save and share, wizards.
Wizards. Here's your challenge. Create a file profile PI and add variables for your name. String, age, integer, height, float, and coding status, Boolean. Print them like print, name, name. Run it with Python 3 profile.py.
Share your output in the comments, wizards. Try adding a fun string like print. I'm a wizard coder. We can't wait to see your profiles. This practice preps you for day 34's lists and tuples.
Wizards, hit subscribe, like this video, and comment with your profile.py output or questions. Did your variables work? Any errors? We're here to help you shine. Your feedback makes DailyAIWizard even better.
Join our Discord or X for Python tips, wizard meetups, and support. Share your code, ask questions, and connect with other coders. Let's build a magical AI community together.
Wizards, day 34 is next. Python lists and tuples. You'll learn how to store multiple data items like a list of AI features or model names, building on today's variables.
Lists and tuples are perfect for organizing AI data. Subscribe so you don't miss it and keep practicing your variables. Get ready for more Python magic, wizards.
Wizards, you've done it. You've mastered variables and data types, the heart of Python and AI coding. Your variables.py and datatypes.py scripts are proof of your wizard powers. Day 34 will take you to lists and tuples, so keep practicing.
I'm so proud of you, wizards. You've learned to store data like a pro, from strings to NumPy arrays. This is just the start of your AI journey with Daily AI Wizard. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share your profile PY output in the comments. We're excited to see your magic. Join our Discord or X to connect with other wizards, ask questions, and share tips. Day 34 is coming with lists and tuples, so keep your Python setup ready. You're coding the future, wizards. Keep shining.
Amazing work on the code. You're rocking it. See you in day 34, wizards.
Wizards, you're incredible. Leading the demos was so fun, and seeing you master variables is pure magic. Your AI skills are growing, and I can't wait to see what you create next. Share your code in the comments, join our community, and get ready for lists and tuples in day 34. Keep coding with confidence, you're true wizards. Code the future, wizards. Awesome job, wizards. Keep coding the future.
You nailed it, wizards. Your variables are awesome. Let's dive into day 34. Your Python stars, on to day 34.